In this video, we're going to get some practice on writing an equation when we take a look at a word problem. So we need to figure out what equation will solve this word problem. So Natasha drove 20 kilometers on Monday and G times as many kilometers on Tuesday. If she drove a total of 40 kilometers on Tuesday, what is the equation that shows the kilometers driven on Tuesday? So we're trying to figure out what happened on Tuesday, but we need some of Monday to figure it out. So step one, look for clue words in the problem that will tell you what the equation is. So when we see words like this, G times as many kilometers on Tuesday, so times tells us that we use multiplication. We also know that she drove a total of 40 kilometers on Tuesday. So write the equation that would satisfy this story. So we know that 20 times G equals 40. So what this is saying here is on Tuesday, this is Tuesday, she drove G times the amount of Monday. So G times the amount of Monday. So Monday she drove 20. So Tuesday she drove G times the amount of 20. So then on Tuesday, that's what she drove, 20 times G. And we know the total's 40. So that's it. That's the whole equation, and that's how you solve this. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. So just watch the video again. And take a look at the description. There's links down there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you very much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.